the storm has blown through. We still have lots of wind here in the Gulf, but we are heading down to Waiheke Island. Journey today. Gargoyle was anchored down here along the mainland, and we've got 21 nautical miles to Waiheke Island up here. The only problem is the wind is coming kind of straight on our nose, so we'll see if we can do some sailing. We are coming up to Waiheke Island. We're just going to come around these rocks, turn in, and we're going to tuck in over here where we're really nice and sheltered. It's the weekend here in Auckland, so it is busy. There's lots of fishing boats, lots of sailing boats, lots of little launches bobbing around. And it's a beautiful day. Now that we are down further into the Gulf, there's no wind at all. It's completely calm. So I think we're going to be nice and secure for the next week while we check out this island. We've been here on Waiheke Island for a couple of days, but the winds have been absolutely crazy. Today, it's calm. So we're going in to do some exploring. We have an hour before the winery opens, so we're gonna head across and check out the bay that's just on the other side of this island. Waiheke Island is just a quick ferry ride away from downtown Auckland, so it draws the tourists as well as the weekend warriors to explore and visit the many wineries such as Tantalus, Wild Estate, Peacock Sky, and on our list, Mudbrick. We have Gargoyle anchored in Huraki Bay to check out the wineries, and although the island does have a great transit system, today the crew is stretching our legs as we set out to walk around and explore the island. This is the little village of Oneroa. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's a cute village. Busy this morning.
Good morning.
We're just checking things out.
Good, how are you?
Kevin just got clarification and we're saying it right. Yay! Alright, where to next?
I think that's it, isn't it?
I don't know. We have checked out the beach. We're heading back and we're heading to the winery. Got about a half an hour walk before we get there. Definitely a tourist island because they have like walks and signs everywhere. It'd be really hard to get lost here, but I think I just jinxed ourselves because we're probably gonna get lost. Climbing all the way to the top, but we're definitely in wine country. So we've got one vineyard in front of us, and I think the one we're going to is just around the corner. All the way to the top of the hill?
Top of the hill.
10 minutes. 10 minutes to Mudbrick. Pretty spectacular view of Auckland in front of us. You can do it, sweetie. You're almost there. Well, this is very civilized.
Very BC. I think I lost her.
I'm here. Just shoot.
A easy drinking, very mellow version of the straw. We then have the reserve, which is the traditional form of the straw, and then we have Oscar, which is a premium straw.
Cheers.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah. Perfect. So that's the right one then. Okay. Yeah.
That's nice.
You gonna sit in it?
Grab a table outside and they'll come help us.
Do you get to drive it? Can you sit in
I'm
it?
sorry, what is it? Oh, it's a little car. No, I didn't
Car.
know that.
Come on, take it for a spin.
No, but I'm going to send it to Craig on Snapchat. Thank you, Mrs. Nash. This is the best day in a long time. Group coming up too.
Wow. Wow.
Well, that was nice.
We're gonna say goodbye to Mudbrick
Goodbye, Mudbrick.
and we're gonna go back to Gargoyle.
Oh, I want to stay. Can I stay?
We want to stay, but
We can't afford it.
the weather sucks. Yeah, and we can't afford it.
And good service, good people, good view.
Check out the view.
We would give Mudbrick 2 Gargoyle thumbs up.
Back to the view.
Oh, John, what are you doing? What are you doing?
He's wagging his tail.
The sign said it was like 8 minutes.
We are headed back to our beach. Yeah, I think it did say eight minutes back.
Something on the sign, it's like, no way. No way. Only if I fall off a cliff.
Well, don't fall off a cliff.
That's the only way I get there in 8 minutes.
Our trail has fizzled.
Fizzled.
We have no idea where our walking path is.
That way?
I don't know. She gave us the instructions, so we're following her. Hopefully we don't get lost. Although we are going in the right direction, so here's hope.
We are.
Thinking we got a long haul out for the dinghy. Look at that tidal flat. Wow. Okay, baby, it's all downhill from here.
It is. I didn't have like a wagon. Scooter. Nope. Oh, no, so you don't want to.
Gargoyle, she's way out there. I don't know, I think this is too far away for you to actually see her. But she's right there. There's Gryphon on the beach. But unfortunately, as you can see, the tide has gone out.
Yes, it has. I'm going to sit right here waiting for it to come in.
Gargoyle is way out there. What do you think?
I think we got back too early. Or we roll our dinghy across the beach because it has wheels.
It does have wheels.
Yep. That's funny.
Mamma mia. Well, we're about halfway. Kevin's taking a breather. I don't even think we're halfway. Well, this was not well thought out, I'm telling you.
At least it's nice. You can sit there and listen to the weed whacker go nonstop.
Can't listen to the weed whacker. We're stuck in the mud.
Well, that's $100 worth of $150 worth of wine drinking wasted. Talk about a buzzkill.
The water's coming to us, so maybe 45 minutes?
No, 2 hours.
The wheels of the dinghy are not so great.
That'd be really good on concrete. Good for pulling it down a sidewalk.
Hard packed sand,
Hard packed sand.
but not mud. Definitely not mud. Well, we're getting closer, but we're getting in deeper. But we're getting closer.
There goes the helicopter. That's how I want. That's my dinghy right there.
That's how Kevin wants to travel from now on.
Not happening.
Not happening.
We're retired, man.
Okay, one more pull.
Highway.
Yep. I think you can drop the upward.
You don't stop saying that. I'm gonna drop you in the water.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm afraid, hon, sweet, my oars are still in the mud. Okay?
We escaped. Look at that happy captain right there. All right, the gargoyle. We are moving and saying goodbye to Waiheke Island. Gryphon is back on the boat. There, believe it or not, there is another storm coming in, and we are due into Gulf Harbor in 3 days. So instead of sitting out here miserable on a boat, we have opted to head into the marina a few days early to get gargoyle ready for when we head back to Canada. So here we go, Gulf Harbor, and then we're tied up. We're not sailing for a while.